Happy Friday, my smart friends. We've been working hard all week and I really appreciate it. Today we're gonna do a little bit more counting and do a little bit more comparing more and less. And sometimes we don't need to count to do that. Sometimes you just know in your brain if something has more or if it has less just by looking with your eyes. And that's okay. And when we're not sure, we count. So let's check out the smart board here. And it says, which group has more? Which group has more children? The blue group or the red group? More has many. I hope you were thinking the blue group. The blue group is almost all filled up, isn't it? There's a lot of extra space over here at the red group. So there are more children on the blue group side. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 children on the blue side, 1 on the red. And it tells us 3 is more than 1. I'd rather have 3 pieces of candy than just 1 piece of candy. Wouldn't you? Yeah, that's how we know it's more. Let's see what's next. Okay, which group has more now? I'm not positive, so I'm going to count. Maybe you need to too. 1, 2, 2 kids here, and how many over here? 1, 2, 3. So which one has more? I hope you're thinking the red side. Red has more because 2 is less than 3. 3 has more. Okay, which group has more this time? I see a lot of extra red over there. So that kind of tells me in my brain that there is more children on the blue side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many children over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's more than 3. Yeah, more children on the blue. Okay. Those animals are cute, aren't they? I see a little red squirrel, and a lion, and a horse, and a kangaroo. And they want us to pretend that this big green rectangle is like grass. How many animals are up on the green rectangle or up on the grass? So we need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you need to know which one of these numbers shows us the number 4. Point to the one that you think is 4. I hope you picked this one. This is how old almost all of you are. 4. Okay, how about now? How many animals are on the green rectangle now? They have 4, and they took 1 away. Right? Because look, they took away that red squirrel. So we had 4, and we take 1 away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Point to which number shows us the number 3. I hope you picked this one. Around a tree and around a tree. That's the way we make a 3. Okay. Ooh, we're looking at the ocean, which is perfect for our fishy book that we read this week. With the itchy eye. How many animals are in the ocean? There's a lot more here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The stingray. Which number is 5? This one's a little trickier. I hope you picked this one. Mr. 5 has that hat on his head. This one's the number 2. And this is the big 5. Let's try another one. We had 5, and they took 1 away. How many are in the ocean? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, look at your number choices. Which one is the number 4? We said last time this was the number 2. So this must be 4. Remember, it is written a little fancy. We don't always write it that way. Ours is normally open on the tab. Let's see if I can get it to go for me. Nope, that's what I was afraid might happen. It switched the whole thing. Okay. Here's our number 4, hidden up here behind Pete the cat. Maybe you can see it. down and over and down once more. That's the way you make a 4. We'll put Pete back so he can help us. Okay, how many animals in the ocean? You might not need to count for this one. It's always okay to count though. 1, 2, 3. 3 animals in the ocean. Point to the number 3. Which side you going to? That one is the number 3. Good job. Okay, let's just look at the pictures. Which color has fewer? Fewer. Fewer is just another word for less. Which rectangle has less? The blue, right? This has 2, and this only has 1. All right. Let's go to that one. Okay. Which has less now? Less. Which color has less? I hope you're thinking the green. 1, 2. 2 pictures. And this one might be a little hard for you to see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are more there. They just keep going. So blue has more. Green has less. We can even say there are fewer animals on the green rectangle. So many words we learn when we're in pre-K. All right, let's look at it one more way. They use some blocks and they look to build towers. And we're gonna look at them. And which tower has less? I like to look at them in a tower because less just means the shorter tower. So which tower is shorter? Which has less blocks? Which side? Which side? That side. Yes, this one has less. Partners. 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 Oh, yellow block over here does not have a partner because there are not enough blocks there. Let's try another one. All right. Find which one has less. Which tower has less? Which one is little? This one has less, right? It's shorter, and that side has more. Sometimes it's easy to tell, sometimes it's tricky, and we're gonna keep practicing that, and those are words we're gonna use forever. You're always gonna wanna know that less is a little bit, more has many, and it might have a lot. Okay, so less, more, and if they have the same amount, we call that equal. We'll keep working on those words all year long. Thanks, boys and girls. Check into Seesaw today. Bye.